Okay, we've got an active one here. This is a different one than the one I showed earlier. I came down and suddenly this baby is about to pop out. And I don't have battery. I guess I could put some regular batteries in. My battery's going quickly. I am dying to see one of these chicks. This is later on in the day, Saturday, the 18th. I did the other one earlier this morning about 9 o'clock. This is, about 1 o'clock. This is the one that was there earlier, and I don't see any. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, that's the one we looked at earlier. This is the one that's doing it now. That one has a little bit of a crack in it. There's one that has a hole in it. A few of them have holes in them, but they're on the bottom side. I did open it up and look at all the eggs. And when they're settled for hatching, they only lay on that one side. So I couldn't roll it over. I tried rolling it over and they rolled right back. So I guess when they're situated, that's the way they lay. But anyway, I'll keep watching, and if I see anything else exciting, I will video it. Let's see if I can get a better look at this baby. Yep, there he is. I'll take another one later.